It's always me. It's always me.
We're going on a day trip to Osaka.
Look at me though. You can't tell me I don't look fly. Okay, look at your outfit. I got the, you know, my usuals. I thrifted these pants. The shirt is thrifted from Our Train Vintage. This bag was from Beacon's Closet. Okay. My looks is from my mom and dad, and these glasses.
Okay, we're gonna go try and catch a train using our JR passes. So, fun times.
Oh.
You got your room key? Okay. Nice. Alright. Later. Where are you going?
Osaka!
Yeah, we're gonna go to Osaka. Where are we about to eat?
Street food!
ご乗車いただきましてありがとうございます。この列車は地図設定グラフ
This train will be leaving shortly, so please be seated.
We're taking like a train thing. Because it's hot.
You know something else? I'm sweating. This pain ain't pain.
Yeah, it's not enough in it. So we're not gonna walk. Sound stripe. Sound stripe.
Hey guys, we made it. Show the people. Show the people. I'm about to go on this boat. Glad you're gonna see it. It's so cute. We're gonna go on it. So we're on the boat. There's no one here.
Empty.
Empty. We rented the whole boat out. You see?
Hey, it's APB here. Just wanted to pop in and say that we're walking through Osaka's alleyways trying to find some food. But let me stay quiet so you can enjoy this clip. Okay, bye-bye.
Sound stripe. Tokyo.
自由席は列車後ろより1号車から5号車です。前から岐阜島
Go show them that.
That's the bento box on that. For
Just in case. Just in case.
for first class train experience in it. On the way to Hakone. Sound stripe.
location where we're staying is right there. And then that's where the water is. Now we're going back on the bus and we're going to do a little sightseeing because we have to wait until 3 before we're able to actually check into the place. So, catch you guys when we get to see where we're going.
We got tickets to go on green.
We got
It's here. We're going there.
We are on a cruise ship. Show the people. Show the people. Sorry guys. It's so nice in here. In the back.
We're not live streaming.
Alright, we'll be back when it starts raining.
Soundstripe. Soundstripe.
Wanna see you with your hands up, going straight to the sky. Let me see you put your hands up, 'cause we do till we die and we on another level. To the rest we can buy, we can get together.
Oh, you go all the way up there too.
Got a piece of the pie.
We could have tried, but I'm
Told
drinking.
you twice
Yeah.
that we only got one life.
You didn't see Lozano. You should go to Lozano.
Wake yours, I'll wear mine. Go
Oh, it's beautiful.
So our new crib for the night. Everything is alright. Ashley.
Let me show you my crib. Wow.
Hey guys, I wanted to pop in and say that this lady that was helping us during our stay here was so nice, so sweet. What she's doing in these clips is actually setting up for a traditional Japanese style dinner. It was so wonderful to see all the pairings of the food and her explaining that it's all local. And she's just so sweet. She had her little phone to translate to us and it was a great experience there in Hakone. At this point, your girl is stuffed. Everybody is stuffed from that first course that you guys saw. And she came back with miso soup, some rice, and some tempura, fried tempura. It was delicious. Some local fruits that were in season. It was just a wonderful experience. The food was amazing. I would definitely recommend coming to a natural hot spring resort. And instead of going Western style dinner, try their traditional dinner. It's worth it. It's the next morning. Waking up to the peaceful sound of the water was so relaxing, and our Hakone trip was too short, and next time we're gonna definitely try to stay longer. It was so peaceful. So we came back to Tokyo, decided to go out and live it up for our last night in Tokyo, where we went to local clubs and bars. We also met some amazing and cool people that we decided to hang out with for the rest of the night. And just like that, that was our trip to Tokyo. Hope you guys enjoyed. Bye! Like always, thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you would like to see future videos like this one.
We're in Hawaii, randomly, on a long layover. We did it. We made it. We did it.